Oops, I thought I was talking and the microphone wasn't on. I apologize once again. Today is the 8th of November 2018. It is a Thursday morning. It's also Fed Day. Choosing not to trade the RTY on Fed Day, so the CL is trending to the downside. Choosing not to get involved with the trend trade, but the GC was on my radar here. There's a lot of pressure down. There is a tremendous amount of pressure down, and I just got a signal right here to get in short, and I did. There's a gift. Unfortunate because it took me out here without any real slippage. We just had a massive push to the upside here and got taken out halfway between the top, so it was fortunate. I saw the whole thing in slow motion, but it moved very quickly. Got in short again. Saw an opportunity to go short here. Pressure increased here from back here, so the picture actually looked better here than it did here. Looked pretty good here, it just didn't work out for me. But the entry here was not as good as this one right here, is what I'm saying. And it's even prettier here, giving it some breathing room because as it's coming up, the power is increasing down. It's a good sign. Okay, here we go. Finally, pressure is releasing. Just need to get past this area, and we should be home free. That's the obstacle. Okay, I'm still in the GC. I'm noticing a CL trade approaching here. Very pretty picture here. This is what needs to happen for me to become interested. This guy's got to come up here and be evaluated at this area here for a short. If he passes muster, if he qualifies, I'll be looking for a short in this vicinity. So let's see what happens. Had some really quick bars here. Got in short right there. Not too good of an entry, but I did the best I could. Let me go calculate my target. Be right back. Still in the GC as well. Okay, target's down here. The CL came all the way back up here, and I found an opportunity to add on. So I did. GC still looking good. Still need to break out of this area, but we're still looking good. Looking good. Looks like we're going to break out finally. Well, spoke too soon. Hoping it breaks out now, let me put it that way. Could very easily use this as an area of support and push up again, but with all the pressure that's present, it's eventually got to break out and go down. CL starting to push down. We broke out of the main area of consolidation here, which is a good thing. It's not the same scenario as the GC, but we did need to break below this low, and since we did that, we should have a very high probability of hitting target. More so than when I entered the trade. This was basically a confirmation that, yeah, phase 2 kicked in, you're going to hit target with a higher degree of probability. GC came back into the box. Very sweet picture for an add-on potential. Alright, got my signal, went short right here. Yellow dot finally curled. Awesome, targets filled on the CL. Still in the GC. Working on that gift still. Trying to get rid of that. And we're back on the GC here. Starting to push down. And trying to get rid of that gift. But there's a lot more in the kitty if we can break below here. So that's, we already broke out of the rectangle consolidated area. We confirmed that we are going down by it closing outside of the consolidated area. It's just a matter of that pressure just finally releasing and pushing down. So could be a while. Could be a while. All right, if you're not in, this is a very nice place to get in right there. Bam. Bam. Still waiting for that pressure to release and push it through to target. I tighten up my targets. It's getting later here, and I need to skedaddle, so moved my targets up. There we go, finally pushing down, approaching target. Looking to get out. Awesome, targets are filled. Targets are filled. Patience is a virtue this morning. Guys, have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.